At UPM ProFi Deck, we go on a lot about our closed surface and the high friction surface. And there's one reason we do this, because when you have a barbecue or if you're running a restaurant or at home and you spill some food or oil on, then you want to be able to clean it easily. And a lot of our competitors don't have this advantage. And if you don't believe me, I want to just prove it to you now with this simple demonstration. Here we have a piece of UPM ProFi Deck. It's actually part of our rail step system designed for the edging of a deck or for making stairs. And if I just take some normal olive oil, it could be that you have a barbecue or you might spill some ketchup or something, and I just pour some olive oil on that. And then I have a competing product. And the competing product has the typical wire brush surface, so the wood fibers are open. And if I pour the oil also onto this, then what happens over a short time is the oil will soak up inside the wood fibers and it'll be difficult to clean. You'll have to sand it. Whereas with UPM ProFi Deck, we have a closed surface and the oil doesn't soak up. So we'll just leave this for a couple of minutes and then I'll wipe off the oil and you'll see what I mean about the difference. Okay, we've now waited a couple of minutes since I put the olive oil on, and you can see the difference already happening. If I take a cloth, and this, if you remember, was the competitor product. This is the deck composite decking material which our competitors have, where they have the brush surface and the open wood fibers, and I just wipe the oil off and you can see how the oil has soaked in already. And the same thing's going to happen with tomato ketchup or red wine or other things. Whereas with ProFi Deck, with the closed surface, then you can see it's a bit more like a kitchen floor. You can see I put a lot of oil on this, so you can see I'm not cheating. But here, the oil has not soaked in at all. So you have an easy to clean, low maintenance deck compared to the competing product. There are some competing products that have a thin plastic layer around them, which also resist the oil, but then they don't have the same friction surface. So ProFi Deck is the only one which will resist the oil, has a good moisture resistance, but at the same time a good friction surface as well.